Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, air sign. This is June bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra, air sign. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Four of Pentacles, King of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. I think Libra, you are holding back your feelings and you're more concentrating on your career and you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person. Nine of Swords energy, you are confused. Maybe they are always giving you false hope. They are always putting you in dark. So you are in depression and anxiety energy, but this is not your permanent, it is a temporary energy. But you are holding back your feelings. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Ace of Wands, Five of Swords and Wheel of Fortune is here. So there are some arguments or there are some fightings between you and your person because Five of Swords. So they may be cheated on you, lied to you or backstabbed on you. For some third party also involved in this connection. A lot of you both have some arguments, but you both have passion towards each other because Ace of Wands. Maybe you are waiting for right time. Then present Ace of Cups, Six of Wands, Two of Pentacles. You love this person a lot. And one person in this connection could be popular. And you are getting success for your hard work, especially in your career, Libra. And Two of Pentacles is here. You are juggling. Maybe you want to take one decision, but you are unable. You are juggling here. Maybe you are juggling between head over your heart. Maybe you want success in this connection right now, but there are some issues. It is not happening. Then future, but you started loving yourself, giving priority to yourself. For some, a brand new person, a new love is coming into your life. Future, the Hermit, Five of Pentacles and the Hierophant. So in future you will undergo some transformation. And Five of Pentacles, maybe they're treating you as an option, cold shouldering, maybe they're rejecting you, they ignored you because there is no clarity, and maybe for some commitment issues, maybe for some family issues, their family not accepting your love. Definitely there are some commitment issues here. So maybe they ghosted you suddenly. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Four of Cups, Two of Cups and High Priestess. Yeah, right now they're missing you if you are in separation with this person. And Two of Cups, this love is mutual. And they started listening to their intuition. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. The Fool, Hangman, Seven of Cups and Five of Swords with Page of Wands. I think your person is a player in and out of your life. Yeah, still there are some arguments, but your person stuck and they're confused. Maybe for some they have options. Yeah, right now they're confused. And the full energy, maybe they are thinking about new beginnings with you, but again they are in some confusion state. But they want to communicate with you. So let's see their intentions. The Star, Knight of Swords with Nine of Cups. Yeah, they're in rush to communicate with you. Yeah, right now they're in the process of healing. They're doing meditation to heal themselves. But still there is lot of passion between you and your person, especially your person passionate towards you. And Six of Wands, they want success in this connection. And the Star, yes, definitely they're thinking about positive in this connection, positively about this connection. And Knight of Swords, yeah, they are in rush to communicate with you. And Nine of Cups, yeah, they're in confusion. They have option, but they're gonna be choose you because Nine of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment. So definitely they want, there is communication is coming, and they're wishing for this connection. They want brand new beginnings with you, Libra. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. King of Cups with King of Pentacles. Yeah, they do love you. For some, your person is financially very stable. So they do love you and they're thinking about to offer a commitment. But again, there are some issues. Yeah, I think some family issues, some trust issues. But they do love you and they're now thinking about commitment. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Judgment. You are in the process of making decision, Libra. And Justice. So if they're coming back with marriage offer, it is okay. Then if they're coming back with less than that offer, maybe you decided to cut off this person. You want commitment, you want the best. Yes. So you are thinking and you are gonna make some decision regarding this relationship. So let's see the mutual. For some children's also involved in this connection. Yes, long-term commitment, new beginnings. So lots of you, there is a chance for new beginning right now. For some, you both are in separation and you both feeling sad. But you both want reconciliation. You both wishing for the same. Definitely there will be communication is coming, text, and new beginnings for some. Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. I will never forget you. Communication is coming. I'm serious about you. Toxic person. For some, this person could be a toxic for you, and age difference, finances and career. So the messages are, I will never forget you. Communication is coming. I'm serious about you. Toxic person and age difference. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your dreams need a practical plan. Emotions are running high, supermoon. So if your emotions are running high, do meditation. And your dreams need a practical plan. Your full moon in Taurus. So Taurus energy. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, first you have to plan. So then you have to execute. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.